How should I wire a unidirectional dual capacitor motor for forward and reverse? As shown in the figure, we first say the main circuit, red for the fire wire, black for the zero line. After coming out from the contactor, the black zero line connected to the complex winding Z2 end, the red fire line connected to the main winding U2 nuclear running capacitor from the contactor out of the line end, and then connect a black zero line with the complex winding Z1, connected, as shown in the figure. Then connect the near wire end to the right contactor, in the order of fire wire zero wire. Another thing to note is that this black jumper is not a zero wire. After coming out from the right contactor, as shown in the figure, the three wires are connected to the black, red and black of the emergent end of the contactor on the left, and then we connect this black jumper to the running capacitor, and the starting capacitor, and after coming out from the starting capacitor, we connect it to the VE end of the centrifugal switch, and then finally connect the zero wire directly from the emergent end of the air switch as shown in the figure to the right wing end of the main winding. So far the wiring of the entire main circuit, on the completion of the one-way double capacitor motor wiring, and three-way asynchronous motor forward and reverse, there is a big difference. This is its wiring schematic. Where a sentence sums up is to switch the main winding U1 and U2 energies direction, the motor will change the direction of operation. Next let's say the control circuit, from the red wire into the fuse, from the fuse out of the emergency stop button, from the emergency stop out of the positive start and reverse start button, as shown in the figure. The first connection to the positive control line, through the long arm of the right contactor, after the point into the left contactor coil. Next, as shown in the figure, and then connect the self-locking power line, and finally the same wiring method as shown in the figure. The reverse control line connected to the control line, the same control line first into the left contactor arm contacts, from the arm contacts out of the right contactor coil, and then finally the self-locking line as shown in the figure can be connected. The above is a one-way double capacitor motor detailed physical wiring tutorial. Point collection plus attention, sooner or later use.